Please come to Lisa.
Torenza. Is Torenza really a good place or not? Oh, thank you so much, Didru. But there is something a problem of my channel, so I don't really know if I can use that. But thank you. But I'd probably what do you call this?
iPhone.
Right there is my PayPal account, Drew. That will work. But this on my channel, I don't know if I can really earn this. There is a problem on my YouTube channel in which I still not completed on my Google AdSense. I don't know why. But if you guys want to